Hi everyone, we're Team Cascade, and today we're going to present our proposed product, Lakit, a wearable voice assistant bundled with an app, which could help dementia caregivers synchronize with daily caregiving schedules and keep track of dementia progress as well as their own mental conditions. Dementia, to be more specific, Alzheimer's disease, has an unusual distinction. It's the illness that Americans fear most, more than cancer, stroke, or heart disease. More than 6 million Americans are living with Alzheimer's, and by 2050, this number is projected to rise to nearly 30 million. People with Alzheimer's disease and related dementias are usually cared for by family members or friends. There are around 4.8 million family caregivers in the US who are taking care of their loved ones at home. However, the caregiving demands can limit a caregiver's ability to take care of themselves. According to the CDC, caregivers of people with Alzheimer's and related dementias provide care for a longer duration than caregivers of people with other types of condition. And 63% of them are expected to continue having care responsibilities for the next 5 years. The number of deaths for caregivers of people without dementia is around 49%. Besides, with the inability to control the irreversible state of dementia progress and daily chores they have to face during the caregiving, these caregivers are at greater risk for anxiety, depression, and poor quality of life than caregivers of people with other conditions. And they are of great possibility to face caregiver burnout, which is a state of physical, emotional, and mental exhaustion. Most of them are not aware of their mental conditions during daily caregiving, lose control doing chores and caring tasks, having no idea how to manage their stress level, or even deny care for themselves. So, how might we assist them? Assist the Alzheimer's caregivers in taking care of themselves while providing care to their loved ones. Now, introducing Lakit, a product that consists of a wearable device and an app. The cost for the hardware part is around $75 to $100 by combining sensors and microphones, and the estimated cost for the software part is around a couple dozen dollars, depending on Azure usage. Lakit could help caregivers from two aspects. Firstly, Lakit facilitates caregivers keeping track of their loved one's dementia progress. They're able to know patients' differences in behaviors and mental conditions at various dementia stages. Secondly, our solution would help caregivers take care of themselves. Daily chores and caregiving tasks always cause stress. The product could alleviate users' mental exhaustions and help them get a sense of control by notifying their schedules. Caregivers can be well organized without adding much burden to their memory. Besides, after the app identifies the voice of caregivers, effective computing is applied to analyze their expressions, and they can know their mental condition instantly. Based on our analysis results, caregivers could talk to therapists and ask for help when necessary. So now, with Lakit, caregivers don't have to worry about forgetting their small tasks and losing control over daily chores. They could provide better caregiving without frequent mental exhaustion. Besides, caregiver burnout is often neglected and careless. Caregivers will know their mental conditions and take care of themselves through the feedback from Lakit. And here is our development timeline for the next 6 weeks. Since it is a rough prototype for solving the problem, we would like to spend 1 week refining our ideas. During this period, we may conduct more primary research and confirm requirements from our target user groups. After the idea refinement, we will spend 2 weeks testing the technologies we need, respectively, such as sentiment analysis and voice recognition. Then, it is time to prototype hardware and software parts and integrate functionalities. During the final week, we would like to conduct several usability tests to find potential problems and make improvements accordingly. Hopefully, with our product, caregivers of people with Alzheimer's and related dementias may take care of themselves while caring for their loved ones. Thanks.